everybody, Sharon here with LNA Little Flowers. Hello. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so I've been working on a baby girl album, and I thought to myself, when I first started making these, pockets kind of intimidated me. So I thought I would go over one of my favorite pockets to do. And that is made with vellum paper and plain cardstock and some pattern paper. So I'm going to use it on this right here. I have a little flap that opens up, and I'm going to put the pocket right here. So I have here a paper of 65-pound weight cardstock, and I want to see how large I want to make the pocket. So this looks good right here. I'm going to just mark it with my finger. This is not an exact measurement. Bravo to those that can. I can't. So I've heard the term guesstimate. That's what I'm doing. So find where there it is. I don't have the best lighting over there. And I'm trying to redo my craft desk, and so everything is out, and it's kind of super messy over there, which kind of super messy anyway, but when people say clean crafters, I am not one of them. I'm what's called a messy crafter. Ay, caramba. Oh, there it is. Okay. That looks good. And then pockets can be super fun, and they're a great way to add photo space when there, kind of isn't. So now I kind of want to see where I want it to fold over. So how about we go just above this? I think we're just going to go just above this pink line right here. You know what? I think I'm going to move y'all closer. So excuse the shakiness. Okay. That's probably better. Okay, so here we have this. So this looks good. I kind of want it, and seriously, there it is. I have just one of these little doohickeys to help me mark where I want it. Now I'm gonna do it right there. That wasn't so. Okay, so I'm gonna move that out of the way. Nope, I don't want that. Okay, so then I'm going to find where I marked that, and it is right here. So I'm going to do that. Yep. Oops. Yeah, it's hot. We live in Texas, and we're going through a pretty bad heat wave down here. And this is the time when our home AC went out, and our van AC went out, and we had a separate window unit in our room because the AC doesn't work too good in there, and that went out. So they say things come in threes, So I'm hoping that's it, because I don't know if I can take any more unpleasantries from the AC people. So I don't know what we're going to fix first. So I think I'm going to take a little bit off there. Okay. And I'm just going to take off like, just take off an inch. There's your measurement. Okay. So see, there's that. And then vellum paper, if you glue vellum paper, this is vellum paper. It gives like a, it's kind of see-through, but it's cloudy, and I like the way it looks. If you glue it, it will like kind of shrivel. It won't look nice. So what I do to make a vellum pocket is I want to determine how high I want to go, and it's going to fold right there. So this gives me a nice size vellum pocket. Okay. Now, if you're going to cover up vellum with some lace or trim, that's fine. And that's what I'm going to do on this pocket. But if not, then you're going to want to bend it and glue it on the back side, like I'm going to do this. So just kind of mark it right there. I keep wanting to say and mark it with a B. No, but I don't want to mark it with a B. Okay, where do I make my mark? Right there. So I find where I make my mark, and I'm going to put it under the 8. And oh. And then I'm going to come here, I'm going to score like ½ an inch. Okay. Now you're probably thinking, but what about the other side? Apparently, my family doesn't know what it means to leave my scissors alone. These are not the scissors I recommend. I actually recommend getting craft scissors. But apparently, I have 3 Tim Holtz scissors, and they're all gone right now. I'm not happy about that. Okay, so I just cut there, and then just fold it around. And I'm gonna come in and miter this a little bit. All right. Okay, and so see, it kind of, once you fold everything, then you can work, then I turn it over and kind of fold it like that, and then you know it fits perfectly. And I'm going to put lace on the bottom of this. So so I'll just slip that in there, just turn it around, and then you will have a nice vellum pocket. And vellum pockets are so nice. They really they take your album to the next level. I'm just going to glue everything down with some fabric tack. It works great too. Okay, so there you have a nice vellum pocket. That's the nice thing about fabric tack, is you can adjust it. It's very forgiving. Okay, there, I like that better. More flush. Okay, so then it'll go like that, and then more tags will be going here. So, and I am going to leave a little space on top so that I can put a couple of tags on top. And why don't I just go ahead and show you. Okay, so I don't want the whole thing. So I'm just going to go along the edge. And then right across. Okay. So now what I like to do, I know this sounds weird, is I like to take a thing of paper and kind of double up a little bit and kind of lay it down, because you don't want the pocket to be too tight, because then it make it hard to put any other pockets, to put any tags in there. Oops. Okay, so now, nice, yep, that'll make for some cute tiny tags up there, because I have these to cut out. Isn't this paper just adorable? I love it, yay! So, I'm going to put some lace here on the bottom, and some pattern paper up here. So Let's see, what kind am I going to use? What about this one? Will that look good? Where it's at? I don't know if this is what I want. Okay, I can handle that because I don't want the dark green and the dark pink to show on this right here. So I think this will work. So I'm gonna mark this. Okay, move this off to the side. I think this will be pretty. Okay, and then I have a little bit of light purple ink that I'm just going to go around the edge there so it's not bright white. Just an added extra thing that really sends the, you know, the album to the next level. You know, all right. Now I'm going to glue this down. Okie dokie. So, yeah. And for the lace, I'll be using more of this stuff right here. So, this will be, I can't wait for this album to be done. Okay, so that's just what I wanted to show you, how I make a vellum pocket. And I hope you got something out of this. And thank you so much. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And as always, happy crafting, everybody.